The system has worked very well till now in my school, and I know a lot of research is being done on the content, and I do expect that this research will provide very good results, because once this matter is upgraded regularly, there's nothing more to ask for. They have all taken it up as another method, and they are quite happy now that they don't have to fight with the chalk dust and the blackboard.
I am very happy. I am fully satisfied with the Digi School, and I believe that there's raised this quantity and quality of learning and teaching. Earlier, say for example, when they were studying for digestive system, they used to simply learn from the teachers that we put the food in mouth, it is chewed, then it enters into the food pipe and goes into the stomach. Now they are seeing the video of it, how it is chewed up, how it is broken into simpler parts, how enzymes mix up, and how it is digested in the stomach. Teachers are very happy because it has reduced their workload. Earlier they used to prepare notes. Suppose a teacher is going in one division of any class, say 6A. Now she writes the notes on board, she draws the diagram, then when she goes in 6B, again she has to do the same work. Then when she goes in 6C, again she has to do the same thing. She has to draw the diagram and write notes. Now what happens is she opens the content, opens a particular topic, she explains the topic with video, and she writes her own notes also on that, and she saves the page, so that next time when she goes in next division, she has not to write again. She simply clicks and opens the same page, and of course it saves her time as well as her energy. According to me, Digi School is definitely the next step in education, and for the coming generation and the present generation.
Interactivity is a very big point for small children, because unless and until they are involved in it, they will not enjoy it. And since once earlier we were just telling them things, we were not able to show it to them. Now we are able to show it to them, make them use it, so they know this thing exists, and the different colors and the brightness of it makes them get involved in it. The interaction is very nice and very effective also. So each and every child wants to get a chance to use the whiteboard and touch it. It seems that with their touch it is coming alive. So that experience is very different and very nice for the children.
Digi School is very easy to understand. As per the chapters, all the points were covered. So it was as well as attractive, and it was easy to understand.
In the changing scenario of the world, technology is playing a very important role in every sphere of life. And for this initiative of Ascent International School Management, we would appreciate that they have taken a big step for using technology in education. I would also appreciate the efforts and sincerity for HCL people bringing out such a wonderful technology in education. Since we have been using these Digi schools since past 4-5 months, and I myself have noticed a lot of changes in a classroom education.
Children got fascinated with the content of the Digi school. Children have learned lots of rhymes in the school. They used to learn around 2 rhymes, earlier in a week. Right now they have started around 4 to 5 rhymes in a week. And the admissions have increased phenomenally, and it has increased at least by double.
Right now if I take them to any Digi school and I just click on my content, and everything is readily available. Any content, as many times with each and every single child, it's really easy. Once I have taught them, now I want to test my teaching abilities, whether whatever I have taught, whether they have learned or not. So it is just within 5 minutes.
I like Digi School because it has so many things to learn, like movies, poems, stories, etc. I love coming to school because of Digi School. I love Digi School because it has stories, movies and rhymes and other things to learn.
Teachers feel more interesting as it had saved their time in writing and rubbing, wiping the board again and again. Earlier it was like that, teacher used to write, then students used to sit idle, so they used to feel bored. So now they are like very much eager. Now what? Next what?
पहिल्यांदा आम्हाला असं वाटत होतं की कसं करणार तर इंटरॅक्टिव्ह बोर्ड म्हणजे एकदम नवीन टेक्निक 10 वर्ष आपण चॉक बोर्डने शिकवतोय. पण जेव्हा हे ट्रान्झिशन झालं, आमचं 2 दिवस ट्रेनिंग झालं, टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग दिलं आम्हाला. त्या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये आमच्या सगळ्या डाऊट्स सॉल्व्ह झाल्या. म्हणजे जेवढे काही आमचे प्रॉब्लेम्स होते, प्रश्न होते ते आम्ही विचारले आणि आमचे त्याच्यात सॉल्व्ह झाले. जेव्हा आम्ही स्वतः वापरायला सुरू केलं तेव्हा ते इतकं इझी गेलं की पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे आमचा टाईम भरपूर सेव्ह होतो. शिकवण्याचा जो वेळ जायचा आमचा 4-4 वेळा तीच गोष्ट बोर्डवर लिहायला लागायची, ती आता लिहायला लागत नाही. त्यामुळे एकदा लिहिलं आणि परत तेच दाखवलं तर आमचं काम होतं. म्हणजे परत तेच लिहायची गरज पडत नाही आणि सगळ्या वर्गांमध्ये ते आम्हाला दाखवता येतं. एकदा लिहिलं की सगळ्या वर्गांमध्ये दाखवता येतं. त्यामुळे आमचा वेळ आणि एनर्जी दोन्ही, मेन टीचर्सची एनर्जी, ती एनर्जी भरपूर सेव्ह होते आमची. आम्हाला जास्ती लक्ष मुलांच्या अंडरस्टँडिंगकडे देता येतं. म्हणजे मुलांच्या प्रत्येक डाऊटला सॉल्व करण्यासाठी आता आम्हाला वेळ मिळतो, वर्गामध्येच वेळ मिळतो. टॉपिक पण कव्हर होतं आणि वर्गात मुलांचे डाऊट पण सॉल्व करता येतात. आणि मुलांची पण थिंकिंग लेवल खूप वाढलेली आहे त्याच्यामुळे. कारण मुलं खूप म्हणजे त्यांना खूप असं अट्रॅक्टेड वाटतं त्याच्याकडे. ते स्वतः त्याच्याकडे लक्ष देतात, व्यवस्थित डिसिप्लिन्ड असतात वर्गामध्ये, ते चालू असतं म्हणून. आणि मग विचार करतात त्याच्यावर आणि प्रश्न पण भरपूर विचारतात. आमचा वेळ, तेच मी सांगते ना, आम्ही जे आधी डायग्राम ड्रॉ करून ठेवायचं, म्हणजे आधी घरी जाऊन प्रिपेअर करा, डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ करून ठेवा, मग ते चार्ट्स बनवा, ते कॅरी करा, हा सगळा प्रॉब्लेम आमचा सॉल्व्ह झालेला आहे. एकदा ऑन केलं आणि प्रत्येक वर्गामध्ये ते दिसू शकतं. त्यामुळे परत ड्रॉ करायची पण गरज नाही पडत आम्हाला. मी आत्तापर्यंत काय करत होतो की पॉवरपॉईंट प्रेझेंटेशन आम्ही स्वतः तयार करतो मुलांच्या बेटर अंडरस्टँडिंगसाठी. तर ते पॉवरपॉईंट प्रेझेंटेशन तयार झाल्यानंतर आम्हाला ते प्रोजेक्टर अरेंज करायला लागतो, कम्प्युटर अरेंज करायला लागतो. मग ते पेनड्राईव्ह लावा त्याला, त्या रूममध्ये सगळ्या मुलांना घेऊन जा, शिकवा आणि प्रत्येक वेळी त्या मुलांना तिकडे घेऊन जा आणि शिकवा. पण आता काय झालं आहे, आम्ही फक्त पॉवरपॉईंट प्रेझेंटेशन बेसिकली आम्हाला तयार पण करायला लागत नाही, कारण ऑलरेडी प्रेझेंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. पण तरीही आम्ही कधी काही एक्स्ट्रा तयार केलं तर ते आम्हाला डायरेक्ट लावता येतं बोर्डला, इंटरॅक्टिव्ह बोर्डला, आणि वर्गामध्ये शिकवायला लागतं. तर मुलांना इकडून तिकडे घेऊन जायची गरज पडत नाही. आणि जर त्या पॉवरपॉईंट प्रेझेंटेशन्समध्ये आम्हाला काही चेंजेस करायचे असतील तर इंटरॅक्टिव्ह बोर्डवर ती पण सोय, आम्ही फटकन चेंजेस करू शकतो.